Hey guys, welcome back to Charlie's Garage. Hey, today we're putting a water pump on a 2004 Mustang GT. This will go from 99 to 2004 on the 4.6 liters. When you're getting ready to put this water pump on, leave your serpentine belt on and you're going to knock 4 bolts out. It goes to your pulley. You're going to loosen them up. And then go ahead and take your belt off. And you can unscrew your 4 bolts and take your pulley off. If it sticks a little bit, spray a little bit of WD-40 on it. Tap it, and it'll come right off. Then you have 4 bolts holding your water pump in. And once you get the 4 bolts out, just keep working it back and forth. Like so. Because all it is just an O-ring holding it. You're going to have leave a catch can for your antifreeze there. This didn't have very much in it because it failed. But that's how easy it is to put one of these water pumps on these cars. And to give you a heads up, this is the original one. I wanted a Motorcraft water pump. If you call your local parts store, they're pretty expensive. I got this one here, right here at Rock Auto. Not sponsored by them. $59 delivered to the house. So just give you a heads up. It's real easy to put a water pump on these. Once you take them out, you go ahead and you clean this all up. Your new one has an O-ring on it. You can put a little bit of oil on these. Oops. You can put a little bit of oil on these, or I like to put a little bit of mineral oil on them and put them back in and top your system and bleed it. But this one here failed due to the shaft gave out on the inside of it. But hey, just a quick tip. This is how you get them out. They're pretty easy. You guys stay safe, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the other video. Thanks for visiting Charlie's Garage.